Cows! There's some cows! Over. Hey man, I want to just tell you how much I appreciate my new seats from Sergeant.
Oh man, I can't tell you how much I like mine.
I couldn't have done that 2-hour stretch without it.
Oh yeah, this one is really nice. My butt doesn't even hurt.
Yeah, so just 2 hours over from, what was the name of the last one?
Red Oak.
We're getting up to George L. Smith State Park Covered Bridge or something along those lines.
Okay.
1.4 miles. We should be turning left into the park.
And they were nice roads from here to there if you take the back way.
Absolutely. We hit I-75. That kind of sucked.
That was horrible.
Yeah, we made good time.
Speed limit of 15 now, apparently.
Oh, well, we better slow down.
Better slow down on that. Goodness sakes. Well, it closes at 10 p.m. and it is 5 p.m. now, so we're going to really have to hustle to get our content done.
Oh, look at the water up here is higher than we are on this road. That's kind of freaky.
We are -1 elevation.
I know. Remember when you and I talked about this route a while back, Jason? I told you it'd be kind of fun to camp here.
Oh, that's true. That's true. This is the one you were speaking of with all the cypress trees. Oh, that would make great morning photographs, would it not?
Oh, yeah.
Look at all that. That is really awesome.
And it's the closest one to Charleston.
Well, here we are, you guys. This is the final bridge for this series. This original area was named the Parish Mill Recreation Area, but it was later renamed for George L. Smith, who was a local politician and a Speaker of the Georgia House of Representatives.
This was actually a 15-mile-long creek that he decided to dam up and create not only a covered bridge, but a mill, a grist mill, and a power plant.
And to do that, they had to dig out by hand, and some slaves carried all of the stuff away, and a rudimentary sawmill was built so that they could build the mill. Once they got enough lumber and they enclosed it, they used the sawmill to run the lumber mill for the community and to power things like the grist mill.
And did you know, shortly after 1880, once the sawmill was made, along came the cotton gin. Now, folks would bring in just enough material to produce a half a bale. So that's why it was nicknamed the half bale gin mill. And on top of that, there is about 412 acres of gorgeous blackwater around here. So be careful, there's gators here.
Speaking of gators, you guys know I love wildlife. I'm always out shooting birds. And so this place is also known for its fishing. Anglers love this place. And the birds, of course, love this area. There's tons of great blue herons, white egrets, ibis. The cypress trees are a great place for them to nest and raise their young. So it's a great place for nature lovers and a great place for history lovers. We really like it.
So thanks for joining the entire history tour of the covered bridges of Georgia. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for Bill for joining us on this great adventure, and we will see you next time.